Hey guys, it's exactly 6:30 and I'm done working out. Woo, that was actually a good workout. I actually want to still do sit-ups and some stretches on the mat. So I'm just going to do that just to focus on my tummy for now, for like at least 10 minutes. And then I'm going to head out to shower. I need to call IT by 7 because there's something a bit weird with my connection. So I want to get that sorted before 8 because 8 I start working. So yeah, let me do that stretch, or actually let me leave it for later. Yeah, let me leave it for later after work and then I'll do that. I'll check you guys when I'm done showering. Oh, that was a nice workout. I prepared myself some hot water with lemon. So I just want to put a bit of cold water just so I can quickly drink it because it's a bit extremely hot at this moment. Just want to be able to drink it immediately. Oh, sorry about that, guys. Okay, guys, so I just sorted out my IT issue. I am logged in and ready to work, but that'll only be at 8 at this moment. I just want to make breakfast and then I will start working, and that will be until 4:30, and then we can continue with our day. I know my hair needs to be addressed. I will take care of it very soon. I just have been busy this week and I didn't really have a chance to go do it. So I definitely want to go get my sew-ins again. Yeah. You know what? I've been under the impression that I show you guys the progress of my apartment, but it's because I did it in the vlog that was deleted. So see, I did remove my nail polish. Now I can do this. But I definitely do want to get stick-ons. That's the only thing I can do right now, because when I put my contacts on, and if I'm struggling with long nails, then I definitely want to be able to just pop them out. Anyway, let me show you the update of the apartment, something that I did yesterday, but because the vlog was deleted, I couldn't show you guys. Yeah, let me show you what is happening in here. Alright, so we're gonna start in here. You guys can see it's a bit of a mess. This is the bench that I came with from my old apartment in Omonde, if you remember that apartment. It was my first couch that I got, which came with a bench, and actually kept this and sold the couch, so I just have this for now. And this is the beautiful rug that I got yesterday from Builder's Warehouse. It's very, very nice and soft and strong, very thick, and you can see that it's good quality. It doesn't shed, which I really love. I really wanted a fur, but or a faux fur couch. What's this, rug? But I really thought about the shedding, and you know, I might just sneeze and all, because I get easily, you know, I just sneeze when these things get to my nose. I hate rugs because of that, and the fur ones are actually worse. So this is the one that I got from Builder's Warehouse yesterday. I got it for $3.75. It's called the Jackpot Rug, if I'm not mistaken. It's 1.83 by 1.33. Yeah, that's the length and the height of the rug. I love it. I think it's very gorgeous, and it will definitely blend in with the couch that I got. I got this cute couch. It's a 2-seater, but it looks like a 3, but I'll actually see what it gets here from Take A Lot, from George and Mason, and I'm really excited about it. It looks really, really gorgeous. I'll show it to you guys when it gets here. And I have my curtains up. I can't show you guys because, you know, my window is open. My curtains are open, but they really look nice. They kind of blend in with the rug and the couch, which will be coming soon. And over here I'm going to definitely mount my TV, and I'm just gonna get like a hallway table, these, you know, slim tables that I'm just gonna put there because I don't think I have space for a TV stand. I'll see actually, but I really don't want to like I don't want the space to be too crowded. So definitely there I'll have my tree right just for the season, for December, and then when it's out I definitely need to figure out what I'm gonna put in that corner. And that's just my ring light and my laptop. So I'm just gonna walk here for now because there's no plug close by. This is a mess, I know, but this is just what I have to deal with at this moment. And over here is my other mess. So this, I need to definitely make a plan, you know, about what's in here. These are stuff that I really just hoarded that I need to throw away. I'm a big hoarder and I need to, you know, stop that just so I can have space and be able to breathe. And this is my chest of drawers that these guys broke, so I just put that thing there so it doesn't look too ratchet. And here it's just a mess that I need to clean. And yeah, my books there. I definitely want to get a bookshelf that I'll put over here. And then over here I'm just gonna get like a bigger study table so I can work from here, because it really doesn't make sense to work there as there's no plug. So I'll just keep it over here. And then in my kitchen I just have the usual stuff in here. Yeah, so this is the update. So this is the storage that I got from warehouse as well, the builder's warehouse. So this was initially for what's this, washing machine or a dishwasher. So I used it because I don't have a washing machine or a dishwasher at this moment. I use the space to just store more things, as I have a lot of stuff in the kitchen, and I also have Notice Beauty raw ingredients that I keep in the kitchen. So this is where I store my stuff. Things that are in there are stuff that just don't look cute enough to be out, so I just store them in there. That's what I like about this cute little storage cabinet. And then that's where I keep my spices, and that's just my tea and other stuff. And then that's my medication. So yeah, I just like to keep medication in the house. Yeah, so it's just literally, I just need to get a holder for this roll, and that's my blender and my kettle. And yeah, I think it looks good for now, guys. I'll just figure things out as I keep going. And my plant, I think I might just have it on top of that where my pots are, and I need to put these away as well. That's just my freshener, and you know, I'll just figure things out as I go. But for now, this is the state of my apartment. Yeah. The store. It's actually very hot outside, but it's a bit chilly in the apartment, and like I told you guys, I have a bit of a flu, so I didn't want to risk it. Like I told you guys earlier, I'm super excited because of Takealot's SMS saying they're coming tomorrow. I am so excited. So I actually just went to buy a mop. So I got this from Game. It was only 40 bucks. I think it's from Black Friday. And I'm just going to show you guys, let me do a little haul of what I also got. So I also got this mat for, it's a non-slip mat for the bathroom. I had one in my previous apartment, but I left it there because, I don't know, I just didn't want to take it again. And yeah, it's only 35 rands from Pep Home. I actually went to Pep. I thought the mall that I went to had Pep Home, but it actually doesn't. It's just Pep. So, ugh. And then I got this emerald green pillowcase, which feels so good. I'm super excited about it. Want to put it on my bed. I got two of them. One was $49.99, and then I got these from Pep. These hooks that I want to use behind the doors for, you know, my gown and also my coats. I know I don't have coats now, but like, I don't know, I just want to put it behind the door. And then I got these two cute lunch boxes from Deals. Very, very cute. I just thought I should like have them in the house because most of my containers are at my boyfriend's house, so I'm just gonna leave them there. And then I bought a conditioner and a shampoo from Tresemme for my hair. I want to wash it now before I wear my wig, and then I just got a bar. So yeah, that's it. I'm just gonna continue working and then I'll check you guys later. Hello everyone, look at me looking all cute. It's way past my knock-off time. I knock off at 4:30 and it's I think 6 right now. I've been doing my makeup and yeah, and my hair as well. As you guys remember, I wanted to wash my hair, but I realized that I didn't have my hair dryer here, so I had to make a plan. I used a curling wand. I used that to straighten this part of my hair, and then just this piece so I can clip on my bob. As you guys can see, this is my hair over here, and that's the bob. So it's not really as straight as I would have wanted it to be, but this is what I have to work with now because I want to put up my Christmas tree already. I think I'm just gonna have my nightgown on and just sit over there and try and decorate it and see how the video comes. If it doesn't come out right, then it's fine. I tried. I will just have to try again tomorrow when my hair dryer is here and my straightener is here and everything else is here. But for now, this is the look, and yeah, I really do like it. My couch is here! Oh my word! So this is a sneak peek. This is how it's supposed to look like. I am super, super, super excited. Okay, I'm just going to unwrap it and then we're gonna see it together for the first time. All right. I cannot believe my eyes. Oh my word, this couch is the prettiest. Oh, look at this. Oh my gosh, and the rug goes so well with it. It's like I knew how it's gonna look, but oh my goodness, look at this. It's so pretty. And honestly, it does not look like a two-seater because I sit over here. Oh, it's so comfy. And then there's still like space for another person and another person and another person. So literally it's like 4-seater, but it's so comfortable. Oh, and my bench, I'm just gonna leave it there. I think it's fine there for now. I'll just figure out. I'll just like play around with it and see how it's gonna look. But hello, my couch is so pretty. I might just get like a side table this side or even this side. But for now, can we just take this couch in? I feel like I must always be clean when I sit on this couch. Or I must go get a couch protector or a fabric protector. I saw that spray from Takealot, so I think I should order that and just, protect it. I hope it's not going to change the color of my couch though, because I really love this color. And I think it goes quite well with that. It just, there's like a contrast because of the dark gray, which goes with this, and then the lighter one. Oh my goodness. I am so happy. You guys, I'm closing this vlog here because my face looks like I get to it a long time, but yeah, this is it for this vlog. I'll check you guys on my next one.